Hello, Chad here. This video is to show you that Jarvis is now officially online and working and running. And I'm just going to show you some quick what its capabilities are as of now. So let me explain how Jarvis works to begin with. I guess I have Jarvis running on this Mac Mini right down here, which is right up below my television set, which you can see the display for the Mac Mini right there. There you go. And I have a Twitter account. The Twitter name is Project Jarvis, and that's for Jarvis itself. And then I also have another Twitter account called Jarvis Control, which is the only account that Jarvis will take commands from. That's obviously for security reasons. So I guess what I'm going to do now is just show you what it can do, I guess. So here I have my iPhone. I'm not sure. See that? Let's see. That looks pretty decent. Not perfect, but decent. So what I can do here is I can send a command at Project Jarvis like that. Ask a command like, let's do help, for example, and send. So it checks for new tweets every minute. At least that is set up. That's how it's set up now for this test to show you, or this demo to show you. I'm probably going to slow it up just so I don't cause any fail whales, but just for this purpose I'm going to show you that. So within 60 seconds here I should receive a reply back from Jarvis with a list of commands that's currently able to complete or to understand. So let's see if it's got a new update here. There it is. So Jarvis sent me back here. He said he's got a list of the commands that it takes right now. There's IP, help, interval, launch, quit, shell, software update, and torrent. So IP returns back to me the external IP address of my Mac Mini, so I can, once I have the external IP address, I can go ahead and SSH into the computer if I wanted to, or do other things. Help is a help command, tells me the list of commands, but it also gives me help for the individual commands themselves, sort of like man pages for Unix. Interval changes how fast Jarvis checks for new tweets. That one's actually not working right now, but we're still working on that one. Launch and quit is the obvious. Launches an application or quits an application. Shell gives me direct access to the command line of Mac OS X, so I can do shell commands. Software update is a software update, as it sounds like, and torrent allows me to tell my torrent program on my Mac Mini to start downloading a specific torrent seed that I tell it to download. And of course, I only do legal stuff, so that's great. Anyways, so let me do a little demo here. I'm going to go ahead and do at Project Jarvis here. And I'm going to do launch iTunes. So it says launch iTunes, so we use the launch command. I'm going to tell it to launch iTunes. So I hit the send, and it's being sent over to Jarvis. And as you can see on the TV here, iTunes is currently not launched, but within 60 seconds it should actually launch pretty soon. And as you see, it just came up. So I'm going to do the opposite now and do a quit iTunes. Quit iTunes. Just let me see that there. It's kind of tough to see, but quit iTunes. And hit the send command there. It's sent over, and with a minute, iTunes up in the top left hand should disappear and be quit within the 60 seconds. Come on. Come on, Jarvis. There it goes. And iTunes just quit. I'll do one more example here. I'm going to use the shell command. So I'm going to do shell date. So using the shell command here, which just gives me access to the command line of Mac OS X, and it's going to run the date command, turn back to me the current date. So I'm going to hit send on that thing, and within a minute here, within 60 seconds, we should get back from the current date according to Unix on the Mac Mini. Okay, hit refresh. No, not ready yet. Give it a little more time. There it is. And it says Thursday, May 21st, 2049:43 Eastern Standard Time, 2009, as you can see right there. So that's basically all I can do right now with Jarvis. I can well, I'm going to be working on some things with home automation, some lighting and appliance control with Jarvis, and as you can see in my proof of concept of voice, I'm going to work on some voice things, voice recognition and speech commands. That's coming up in the future, but right now all I have is a few commands, but Jarvis is online and running smooth. Thanks for watching.